Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the D block elements, and now in this topic I'm going to talk about the F block elements. So what are F block elements and what are inner transition elements? This is what I'm going to talk about in this topic. So friends, now let us understand what are F block elements. So based on that, we have a definition, that is the elements in which the last electron enters into n-2 f orbital, and this n-2 f orbital is basically known as pre-penultimate shell of the atoms are called as F block elements. So in the previous topic, that is what we have discussed about is D block element, and in that case we have got to know that is the last electron enters in the penultimate shell. So the penultimate shell is nothing but n-1 shell, but here basically we are talking about n-2. So this n-2 is known as pre-penultimate shell, and in this case basically the electron enters in the f orbital, and that's the reason that all those elements in which the last electron enters in the f orbital are basically known as F block elements. So based on that, we have also understood, and in the previous lecture also we have discussed, that is all the D block elements are not transition elements, but here I'm going to talk about inner transition series. So what are inner transition series? So for that we have, so talking about the inner transition series, that is the last electrons in the F block element, that is what we understand, that is it enters in the n-2 f orbital, and they form a transition series within the transition series, that is the D block elements, and that's the reason that F block elements are basically known as inner transition elements. So for that we have a particular diagram of a periodic table so that you could understand, that is where does this F block elements are present. So friends, as we have discussed about the S block elements, we have discussed about P block elements, D block elements, and now we are going to talk about the F block elements. So the F block element, it starts with cerium and it ends with lutetium, and this is known as, that is 4F series. While talking about this is known as 5F series, and this starts with thorium and it ends with lawrencium. So the position of this is basically present within the lanthanum, which is a basically D block element, and talking about actinium, so actinium is also a D block element, but this series or this inner transition elements are present here. So that's the reason that the D block elements are known as transition elements, that is what we have discussed, and these elements are present within the transition elements, and that's the reason they are known as inner transition elements. So now let me talk about the electronic configuration also, and how does we represent the electronic configuration of each metal generally. So therefore the general electronic configuration, this is what I'm going to talk about. So therefore the general electronic configuration, as I have discussed earlier, that is 4F series and there is 5F series. So for 4F series, the general electronic configuration is nothing but, we could write it here as xenon. 4F, we have 5D and this is 6S. So the 6S orbital, it consists of 2 electrons. While talking about D, so D consists of arranging from electrons, that is from 0 to 1, and talking about F, we have that is from 1 to 14. So therefore this is nothing but the general electronic configuration for the 4F series. And now let me talk about the 5F series. So talking about 5F series, so in this case, that is the radon is basically the noble element, that is what we know. So therefore it will start with, that is 5F from 1 to 4 electrons. After that it will be 6D, that is from 0 to 1, and after that it will be 7s2. So therefore this is nothing but the general electronic configuration for the F block elements, and based on the more detail, this is what we are going to talk about in next topic, but this is what I was to discuss about the F block elements and inner transition elements, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have got to know that is what are F block elements and what are inner transition elements. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe. Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.